Hey everybody, this is Brett with Summit Auto Reviews, and today I'm going to be going over these YITAMOTOR all-weather laser measured floor mats. These are specifically designed for any 2015 to 2024 F-150 Super Crew. Today I have a 2019 Ford F-150 Raptor that we're going to be putting them in. I've never personally installed these in a truck, brand new, so excited to get this unboxed, see what they look like, and put them in the truck and see how well they fit and how easy they are to install. So let's get right to it, and I'll tell you all about them along the way. All right, so let's open these up. Be very careful with any razor blades, of course. Looks like they had a rough trip here, but they should be in pretty nice condition. Oh yeah. Look at these, they look really good. So you get the front two. This is going to be for a crew cab with a center console. So you can see they're all weather. You can see the Y for YITA. And they come with the plastics on there to protect the emblem. And then it does come with the full floor mat in back. So they got that like so. That looks pretty good. Really nice floor mats here. You can see they're not very stiff, which I like. I know other laser measured floor mats out there can be very stiff and hard to work with. These are actually pretty chilly. They were in my truck in the box, so even with being cold, they're really flexible. So let's get to putting them right into the vehicle. All right, going to be putting in the driver's side first. Whenever you're putting in all-weather floor mats in any vehicle, especially on the driver's side, you want to make sure that the floor mat is under the pedals so that it's not overlapping any of the pedals. Because these are laser measured, they're going to fit perfectly. They're really nice and snug, and they snap right into the factory clips. And you're all set to go right up to the kick plate and to the edge of the door plate here. So it's really nice and looks good, and we'll go put the other ones in, see if they fit just as nicely. If you thought the driver's side was easy, wait till you see the passenger side. This goes right in and just sits in there perfectly because it's all laser measured, and they're all made with TPE material, which is thermoplastic elastomers, and it's really malleable, so it's easy to get in there and it slides in nicely and looks really good, and it's going to last you a really long time, and for probably about half the price of those other laser measured floor liners. And now for the big boy. You're going to want to put these back seats up when you install this one, but just kind of get it all the way over, flip it down like that, and look at how nicely that fits right up to the center console, right up to the door edges, and right to the back of this. It actually folds right underneath everything, so it kind of locks it into place and looks really good too. And now we're going to go check out the skid resistance of these babies. I think they look really good, and they're definitely low slip. They're really sticky. I like that in a floor mat. Don't like your feet sliding all around, especially when you're driving, making sure that your heel isn't slipping off. They feel really good, and they fit really nicely too. When you close the door, they don't fold up on them or anything like that. Yeah, I think there's some really nice floor liners, and you know, for half the price of the competitors out there for the fronts and the backs, I think it's a really good value. So the main purpose of having any floor mats in a vehicle is to protect your investment, your nice F-150 2015 to 24, but what happens when you get them dirty? Well, these all-weather floor mats have TPE material. They just beat up the water. It just doesn't go anywhere because of the grooves and everything that's in it. and then they can come out really easy because they're nice and pliable. Just take them out, shake them off, and you can wipe them down and you're ready to go. Now if you do get a little bit of mud or anything on there, you can grab your spray away glass cleaner, world's best, and just spray them off and then wipe them off with your towel as well. You want to get some of that glass cleaner, there's a link in the description below to Amazon to buy some of those. So, looks really good when you're all done. It's like the floor mat's brand new. They fit nice and snugly back in there, and you're all set to go. Really a nice product. All right, everybody, thank you so much for checking out the video. Hopefully from this video, you were able to get a good idea of the quality, how easy these floor mats were to put in for your 2015 to 2024 Ford F150 YITAMOTOR floor mats. You can get them in the description below. And very easy to clean, very easy to install. They're going to protect your F-150 from dirt, snow, ice, sand, mud, you name it. It's going to be protected with these floor mats. Really easy to put in, nice malleable material, and just about as nice as the factory all-weather floor mats are. So definitely got to get a Yita. So the part number on these floor mats are 20251. R means right, L would mean left, and I'm sure B is for the back, but that's the part number right there. And yeah, gotta get a Yita.